All right, it is Tuesday early afternoon, July 12th, 2022, and I finished the cutting of the 9,000 Boidio's currency note, banknote, a few minutes ago. I'm not going to print it today, but sometime in the next few days. We'll see how it turns out. The last thing I did was down here, the lost lutefisk on the lower left, BOK! Exclamation, which is bird talk, of course. Like squawk, BOK! All right, how are we doing, budgies? Oh, Blanche de Boyd is preening the feathers on the head of His Royal Highness Prince Sipila. Nice, very nice. How are we doing over here? Chief Curator Chi, Prime Minister Mazel, how are we doing? Good? All right, stay tuned. The next segment will be, we'll see the print and how it looks. Listen to our West Side Story. They like musicals. The Boyds.